Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to set up FSR for your circuit. For that, I use Tinkercad to simulate how to set up this one. Go to Create. Here you can find the elements. So we need FSR. For that, go to Force. This one is force sensor, that means FSR. Then you need a resistor for setup. This one. FSR means force sensitive resistor. That resistance will change according to the force. So you can read this like a resistor. Then you need a power supply. Here 9 volt FSR. That's okay. Then you need a multimeter. So I need a voltmeter, so set it to volt. If you want ammeter, change here, ampere, you will change here. So I need voltmeter. Then you have to set up the circuit. So this is the setup to use FSR. So then go to start simulation. You have to set the resistor value 1 kilo ohm. Just change to 270. It's better than 1 kilo ohm. Okay. So then start the simulation. Here you can change the it's a simulation tool, so you can change the force value using this. Here if you increase the force, the voltmeter value change. So according to that, you can use this FSR with the resistor. So here you can get the signal from FSR. You can use this to Arduino to create a circuit that will, if you need any force sensor, you can use this. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.